Hello YouTube. Work has begun. 72 Chevelle SS. I finally removed the front seal here for the pump, and there it is. I destroyed it pulling it out, but it's all good. I don't see any marks on there. Just clean that up a little bit, get some blue Loctite, install the new one, which is here, and hopefully the installation will be a lot easier than the removal, because it did give me a little bit of a problem. So anyway, there's the box for the new torque converter, the TCI. Here's the other one to compare the two, and they seem to be exactly the same size, same height, same everything. But this one's a 3000 stall, and this is supposedly up to 3600. So from my understanding, I believe when we first put that on there, this was supposed to be 28 to 3, and this one is 3 to 36. So that'll give us a little more oomph. You see, I got my heat on because it's cold again. I thought spring was coming, and it got cold again. Anyway, I was looking around in here and just inspecting a few things, and I realized that we need to order the new header gaskets because these are destroyed. You see that? And then just looking around, checking things out, I noticed there was oil all over the transmission pan here. See the little drips right there? And I followed it around, and it looks like the rear main seal has got a leak. So that's a problem. We don't know how bad it is. I guess we'll find out. But either way, I'm gonna attempt to, I don't know, clean that up a little and maybe try to put a little silicone over the top of it, see if that helps out. And then over here, I was looking up here, I don't know if you can see, but there's a spark plug missing. It's missing because I pulled it out. But I pulled it out because I noticed when I looked in there, it wasn't connected to anything. It didn't have a spark plug wire. So that might explain his hesitation and not running right and backfiring. And not only was the wire not connected, but when I stuck my hand up there, I was able to remove it with 2 fingers. So it was loose. So we're gonna go over the whole thing, put all new spark plugs in here, and we're gonna swap out or flush out the antifreeze, because you see how it's leaking here. Looks like it sprung a small leak. We're gonna see about changing this lower hose and putting brand new stainless steel clamps on here. That's what they look like already, but whatever, it happens. It happens. What else can I show you? There isn't much more to see. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna do my best to hang this GoPro so that you guys can watch me make a mess of things here. All right, so hang on, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so 2 hours later, I got the seal in place. It was pretty easy, just needed to find the proper tool. So I went out and got the right tool, the perfect tool to put that seal in place, to drive it home. And I put some blue Loctite all the way around. I put a little more than I should, but I want to make sure that it doesn't leak anymore. This needs to hold up. I don't feel like doing this again. This is not an easy job. It's very tight in here, and yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not going to be easy trying to get this back in place. But anyway, here's the torque converter. I can install that. I can't do it on my own. I mean, I can put it in place, but I just won't be able to lift the transmission and push it into place without help. Let me show you what I used. A header extension. That's the tool. Perfect. Check that out. Went right in place. I put a piece of wood right across the front here, and I drove it home. 3 smacks. That's all it took. Fell in place beautifully. Look at that. Anyway, spoke to the owner of the car, my buddy Rich, and told him that we needed some new spark plugs, motor oil, transmission fluid, oil filter, and a couple gallons of antifreeze, because we're going to flush this system out and we're going to get it ready. We're going to get it ready for the springtime, and you're going to see this car alongside my car hitting the road, if he can get away from, from the house. He's a married man, so he's got, responsibilities. Anyway, folks, I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you guys need tools, let me know. I got them. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.